Today, we were lucky enough to have representatives from AIM, which is the Aviation Institute of Maintenance. They joined us today and made airplanes with each of our students, and then our students got to test fly them.
Hold your planes up high once you complete it.
Ask all the questions you want, and extra points for asking questions.
Being STEM, all of those components are really where our careers are headed. But most importantly for us, the man we're named after, Mr. J. Wood Raw, he was a pilot. He was a naval pilot. And so to honor him, we have taken on a great deal of aviation education. And this hands-on learning just solidifies that.
We teach all throughout the summer.
For every pilot that you see, there's about 10 people behind the scenes.
Ready?